If you don't know how to find winning products, you are going to fail. 80% of people who get into dropshipping still don't know what to sell, where to look, or how to even analyze whether or not a product is worth testing. And if you're watching this and you're still spam testing, throwing stuff at a wall, hoping for something to stick, then 2023 is going to be a very difficult year for you. But all of that is going to change right now if you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to give you every single proven method that I know. When I first got started with dropshipping, I was burning money on trash products that were never going to work from the start. It was frustrating, but once I used these methods that I'm about to reveal to you in this video, things changed drastically. So rather than just giving you another top 10 winning products video, I'm going to reveal to you these exact proven methods so that you can have an arsenal of strategies that you can use for yourself to absolutely crush it in 2023. Trust me, this is the only product research guide video that you're going to need in 2023. So make sure you stick around to the end for some secret sauce. Now, before I reveal the first method, you need to know the exact DNA of a winning product. Typically, a winning product will fall into one or two categories. The first category is a problem-solving product. Now, these products will either save someone time, save them money, or maybe it'll improve their confidence or health. The second type of category is something which is unique or has a wow effect. These products are typically not found in the high streets, and most of the products that are being sold on TikTok fall into this category. Now, I want you to remember exactly what I'm about to say to you. You'll have faster success if you sell something which is already proven than trying to find the next untapped winning product. With all that out of the way, let me reveal to you the first strategy. So, the first way you can find winning products is simply scrolling your Facebook newsfeed. You want to see what other successful dropshippers are already selling. If you find one that has a good amount of engagement on it, such as a good amount of likes, comments, and shares, it means that they are spending money on it, which is a good sign. Next, you want to show Facebook that you are interested in this product. So to do this, you want to click on their website, add the product to their cart, and also initiate checkout. This is going to signal to Facebook that we are potentially interested in this product so that they can show us similar products like the one that we've just seen. Once you're on their website, here is a pretty cool tip. If you type in this URL at the end of their domain, what it's going to do is it's going to pull up all of their best selling products from the one that sold the most to the one that sold the least. Now, this doesn't work all of the time because some savvy dropshippers just redirect that URL, but it's definitely worth checking out when you are spying on stores. The second method to finding winning products is using Facebook ads library. Every single ad that is currently running on Facebook is inside the ads library. You can find any brand or any of your competitors' ads inside of this tool, providing that you have the page name. And best of yet, it's 100% free. So the strategy to find products is head into Facebook ads library, and what you want to do is you want to type in the keywords that other dropshippers would be using inside of their ads. To give you some examples, you could use words like sale ends soon, or get yours here, or 50% off, or maybe even free shipping. Next, you want to scroll down and find dropshippers that are running a significant amount of ads. Remember, the more active ads that they have running, we can assume that they're spending more money, which of course is a good thing. Now, if you go to their page, you'll find all of their ads that they are running, and you can use all of these ads as inspiration for yourself. You can do this by seeing how many ads use a specific creative, and it will tell you, it will just say, for example, 5 ads use this creative and text. Another tip that's going to help you validate the product or creative is seeing how long this advert has actually been running for. Again, you can do this inside Facebook ads library by literally just having a look when the ad was launched. The longer something has been running, the more they have probably spent, which means it's probably a good chance that it's working for them. After all, no one's going to spend money on something for a long period of time if it isn't already working for them, right? The third proven method to find winning products is using TikTok. Now, you can use TikTok desktop or you can use TikTok mobile. Now, both of them have their pros and cons. I'm going to show you exactly how you can use both of these strategies. So for TikTok desktop, what you want to do is search for keywords pretty much like Facebook ads library. Keywords such as TikTok made me buy it or Amazon finds are good keywords to use. Now, this is good and you'll find some pages with some different products, but let me give you some secret sauce. What if you could find the most viral videos on any TikTok page? Well, you can, and it's using a Chrome extension called Sort for TikTok. Now, this is free to use, and once installed, when you go to any page and click on Sort, what it's going to do is it's going to rearrange all of the videos on that page from the most viral all the way down to the least viral. So you can find their most viral videos on their page without even having to scroll. Now for TikTok mobile, you can do exactly the same thing utilizing the keywords, but what you can do on mobile is you can actually filter on the results. When you search for a keyword on the top right hand corner, you're going to get the option to filter. This lets you filter on a time frame so that you can find the latest viral videos. What I like to do is I like to filter on this week, this month, and the last 3 months, which lets me find the latest winning products that I can hop on those trends. You can also sort by like count, meaning those videos with the most amount of likes will be shown first. The final free method that you can use is using the TikTok Creative Center. Now this is similar to Facebook Ads Library, but whereas Facebook Ads Library you can see anyone's ads, unfortunately this one only shows the ads from people who have consented. This makes it a little bit limited, but you can still find some good stuff on here. So to use this method, you want to be utilizing keywords like the previous methods, but you want to make sure that you select conversion ads so that you're not being shown random and irrelevant stuff. When you find something which is interesting, what you then want to do is click on See Analytics. In there, you'll be able to see the engagement of that advert over the last 7 and 30 days. Remember, the better the engagement, such as the likes, comments, and shares that the advert has, the more likely that it's performing well from the person who is selling it. Once you find something with good engagement, you can then decide whether or not you want to go ahead and do some more product research, or alternatively head to AliExpress to see if you can find and source the product. Now before I reveal the other strategies, if you want more source on how to find winning products, then I've just launched a product research course which is 100% free for a limited time. Inside you'll learn all of the strategies that I mentioned in this video, plus some more untapped methods that you can use. To claim your free access, click the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Let me tell you a little unknown fact. Did you know that China has its own version of TikTok? Well, they do, and it's called Douyin, and it has some pretty cool untapped products on there. Now, to open an account, you may need your Chinese supplier or someone on AliExpress to help you do so. But once you have it, you can search for keywords to find some cool products that no one else may be selling. Remember, all of the latest gadgets typically start out in China first before they move to the West. Now, I know what you're probably thinking, how on earth are you supposed to search for keywords when everything is in Chinese? Well, it's pretty simple. I personally just use Google Translate and copy and paste the words that I want to translate over into Douyin. And just like that, you can find winning products which no one else is selling. All of these free methods are proven and work great, but there's actually some quicker ways to do things. You can use paid spy tools to speed up the process to find winning products. One of my favorite tools that's been an absolute game changer for me is a tool called Finderful. This tool lets you find real-time winning products on Facebook Ads Library. It lets you search for any keyword in any country and also set a minimum amount of ads that you want the advertiser to be running. It then pulls all of the results that match that criteria into the software so that you don't have to waste time manually scrolling. This is like the free method on steroids. You can find winning products that are working right now without the guesswork. It also has a free trial, so it's definitely worth testing out. And if you use the code BEAST10, then you'll get 10% discount off for life. The second paid tool that I like to use is called Monea. This has Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest ads inside, so it's kind of like an all-in-one spy tool. When searching this tool, I personally like to search for ads in the last 3 months. Now, you always want to select the English language and make sure that the Shopify is platform, and make sure that the ad has around about 200 plus likes on it so that you know that you're finding something which is already validated. Doing this is going to give you the latest products that you can capitalize on and make money. Now, there's one extremely important thing I've left till the end. See, I've taught you how and where to find winning products, but now I need to teach you how to assess whether or not that product that you have found is even worth testing. I have a 4-step framework, and the product must pass all of these 4 steps in order for me to go ahead and test it. The first step is whether or not it has the DNA to be a winning product, like I mentioned earlier in this video. It must solve a problem or be unique enough to capture attention. The second step is making sure that you can actually source the product. Some products just can't be found on AliExpress, or there isn't a good enough supplier for the product. The third step is extremely important, and that's making sure that there is enough margin inside the product. See, if you're going to be using Facebook or TikTok ads, you're going to need at least a 60 to 65% gross margin inside of the product so that when you actually scale, you have enough profit margin to still make money. Ideally, you also want a break-even ROAS of under 1.7, but remember, the lower the better. Now, if all of this sounds complicated, just stick to this simple rule of thumb. Just make sure that when you sell the product, you can sell it for at least 3 to 4x of what you're buying it. So for example, if it costs you $10 to buy and ship, you want to make sure that you're selling the product for at least $30 to $40. The fourth and final criteria is making sure that there is already existing content out there that you can use to test your product. Once validated, you can then go ahead and create custom content or use influencers that you can use to scale. So if a product fits all of this criteria, test it out. So if you struggle to find winning products, use all of these proven methods to your advantage. Getting good at product research is like training a muscle. The more you train, the bigger and better you become. If you put in the hours and the reps, I can guarantee you that your success rate will skyrocket. Remember, if you want free access to the product research course, then check those links down below. All I ask for in return is that you like this video, you subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment down below and let me know which of these strategies you're going to be testing out. If you would like me to personally help you to start and scale your own dropshipping store, then book a free strategy call down below. In the meantime, use these strategies to start finding winning products and make 2023 a year to remember. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.